Start by checking that your wall and bathtub are level. Plan your layout before you begin. Measure the heights of the wall you want to cover. Mark these heights on your corner profile. Cut the profile and file the edges. Now, apply glue to the back of the corner profile. Press it firmly against the wall. Always plan your cuts before you glue. Place your slab over the last one and align the edges. Mark your cutting line. The cut piece will start the row. This method allows you to reuse the offcut as the start of the next row. Cut it with a cutter and snap the slab. Apply glue to the back of the slab and stick it to the wall. Apply silicone to the lateral strip of your slabs to ensure perfect seal. Glue your next slabs into place. Clean off any glue residue immediately. If you need to drill, take your measurements for height and width. Draw a cross where these lines meet. This is your drilling position. Drill the slab carefully. Apply glue to the back and stick the slab to the tiled wall. Put silicone on the upper groove of the slabs. Bash it to the wall and slide it into the profile. Continue to glue your remaining slabs. Install a finishing profile by gluing it to the wall. Use silicone on all seals to make your bathroom 100% waterproof. Our Renowall range makes wall renovation fast and clean.